So how do you retouch birthday photo in the Lightroom on Android? Let me talk about it. And if you're new here on this channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe so you would never miss anything important. Now, of course, make sure you have your Lightroom app ready and download it because, without it, we can't really proceed. But once you get inside, make sure you import the birthday photo that you are interested in. And now it heavily depends on which kind of edits you want to perform because all of the tools are going to be down below, right there below like the image. So you can scroll through the, like we have some automatic actions which you can click on, and it's going to be like, some preset tools, but also there is a dedicated section for presets which you might be interested in if you want to just slap a filter on it and see if it looks nice. That's pretty simple, so you can try that out. But the most important section from this is the edit. So when you click on edit, you can click on either light or color, which I believe are the most important parts, because in the light you can manually adjust like the exposure, the shadows. If the photo seems like kind of like too dark, you can kind of like bring up the shadows, or if they are like very bright areas, you can dial down the highlights. So the light section is very useful. You can just go through it as much as you want and you'll be able to just, get all of the colors, the light situation set up and edit properly. But then, as you can tell, there is the color right below too. And this is a little bit different because now we don't really just change the, like make the photo look like brighter or whatever, but now we are changing the color profile, which means that you can either generally adjust the colors in form of the saturation, or you can play with the individual color like settings. So when you click on the color, you can see that we're gonna tap on the mix right there, and all of the colors, which are like 8 on the spectrum, they all have their own 3 sliders, so you can completely change the way the colors appear on that image, right? So this is just a quick guide to Lightroom and how you can use it. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.